Restock of the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement. You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of the Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement. All you guys need to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Jordan 3, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Take a picture, take a screenshot, do what you need to do. Send me that proof over on Instagram that you guys are subscribed. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of March. Please watch out for scammers. I will not be asking you guys for money. This giveaway is completely free. Please check the account. Please do not get scammed, guys. Please watch out for scammers pretending to be me. And scammers pretending to say that they work for me. All this crazy nonsense. Please watch out. Do not get scammed. Sole Premise makes the best sneaker bags on earth. These bags actually have compartments to store your sneakers when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and a bunch more. There's plenty of space in each and every Sole Premise bag. I highly recommend using Sole Premise bags. They're the best sneaker bags in the game. Very high quality. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my promo code Danny Moore for 40% off your entire order. My code Danny Moore will give you 40% off the entire website, so make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags on earth. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bags. I use them every single day. Guys, what other bag holds your sneakers like this? This is absolutely straight fire. Make sure you guys go cop. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. I have a question for you. Did you cop the Reimagined White Cement Air Jordan 3? If you did, please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you took the L, comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped and who did not, because this sneaker was tougher to get than people thought. With rumors of stock being extremely high, this sneaker sold out extremely fast, has some resale value, has a lot of hype, a lot of demand to it. People are talking about restocks. Are there going to be restocks? When are the restocks happening? What's going on with restocks? How can I get a pair for retail still after the release? Does this sneaker remind you guys of anything? Because we wanted a restock, we still want a restock to this day of the Air Jordan 1 lost and found, and we haven't gotten it. I got bad news to tell you. It doesn't seem like we're going to receive a restock of the Reimagined White Cement Air Jordan 3. If they didn't restock the lost and founds, it doesn't seem like they're going to restock the Reimagined White Cement 3s either. This Reimagined series doesn't seem like it's going to be restocking. It seems like early pairs are out there in galore, and then the release is major, a big release, and that's it. Where are the restocks? What's going on? Nike, are you giving us restocks? Guys, the truth is, we don't know. If you ask me, I don't think we're getting a restock. I don't. I think your greatest chance of copping for retail would be late shipments. And how you guys can get in on that is by going to your stores, making connections. Listen, if you have a connect with a person that works at a store that'll text you, hey, we got late shipments, come pick up your pair, that's the best. That's what you want. Make those connections. Go to the store. You might pop up on a random delayed shipment, but good luck, because that's going to be very tough. And if they actually do have late shipments, expect them to be backdoored. Expect people to get that text. Expect madness to happen. And just a few pairs, not a lot at all either with that. With late shipments, if there are any, it's not going to be a crap ton of pairs at all. It seems like we're having a lost and found situation all over again. Doesn't seem like we're going to get restocks on the Air Jordan 3 White Cement anytime soon, which sucks. Nike has really disappointed a lot of people with these releases because they were supposed to be mass produced, which they are, but it's not enough. It's simply not enough. Demand is way too high compared to stock, and it's definitely showing on both Lost and Found and the Reimagined. This whole Reimagined series is doing phenomenal. This right here is just my opinion. I don't think we're gonna get a restock. I truly don't. We haven't gotten a restock on the Lost and Found, so I don't see it happening on the 3s. If it does happen, I will be shocked. I will be extremely happy, just like everybody else, because it's another chance to cop this beautiful, straight fire pair of Jordan 3s for retail, and I know a lot of you want these for retail. A lot of you want them just in general. Resale's not crazy like it is here on the Lost and Found. So I think more people are going to spend resale maybe on the 3s right now compared to the 1s because the 3s are a little bit cheaper. So at this point, all we can do is hope, pray for a restock, but if you ask me, just my opinion, I don't think we're getting it, guys. It's sad to say, it's unfortunate to say, because if you ask me, I certainly think Nike owes us a little restock, something of a restock on the Lost and Founds, because this release literally broke the sneakers app. When it came to the 3 release, it didn't break the sneakers app. It was a solid release. I think a lot of people were able to get in, no problems, and it was a smooth release, I think, for the most part. But it does seem like Nike is not going to restock them. It does seem like this was it, which is very unfortunate because I do want to restock. I really do personally. I'd love to grab another pair in my size. Not only that, I would like to see more people cop. You know, with mass-produced sneakers like this is a Jordan Retro I wish Nike would release basically every year. Same thing with the Chicagos. The OGs, I can take every year. If I love them, if I'm into the model, the 1s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, if I'm into the model, the 11s, with the OGs, like really heavy into the model, I kind of want Nike to release it every year. I know that's not going to happen, wishful thinking, but it's also kind of wishful thinking for a restock at this point on the 3s, and especially the Lost and Founds. If we do get the restock, of course, I will keep you guys updated over on Instagram. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I'll post a story, I'll post something on Instagram to keep you guys updated if we do get restock confirmation, but any rumor going around right now is just a rumor, guys. It's not looking like we're gonna get the restock. It is simply not looking like that's gonna be the case, which sucks. I'm very disappointed that we're not going to get this restock. But if we do, I'm here for it. I just don't see it happening. You know, Nike owes us a Lost and Found restock, a lot of people feel like. So for us to get a restock on the 3s before we got a restock on the 1s would be crazy. If anything, I'm hoping Nike does a Jordan Reserve for both at the same time. I think that would be great. That would be crazy and release a lot of pairs. However, I don't see it happening. These rumors are simply rumors. We don't know. That's simply the truth. Nike can do whatever they want. Guys, you have to keep that in mind. Nike can do whatever they want as far as restocks, drop whatever they want, whenever they want. It doesn't seem like we're going to be getting a restock from Nike of the 3s whatsoever. Maybe in-store late shipments, like I said earlier. Good luck on that. Good luck on honestly copping for retail at this point, because it's going to be very, very tough now to get them for retail, more than it was on release day. So good luck if there is a restock. Guys, the truth is about restocks, they're usually harder to hit on a restock than it is on release day. There's less pairs. So guys, even if there is a restock, do not expect a W. Please do not. Wishful thinking for the restock and the W on the Reimagined Jordan 3s. Guys, if you want them, buy them. It's a beautiful pair of Air Jordan 3s. A must cop for me, and I've been wearing them a lot, along with the Lost and Founds. Must-haves for me in my sneaker collection. Guys, don't forget, you still have a chance to get yourself a pair of the 3s for free. All you guys gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Jordan 3, white cement, reimagined, and then DM me proof on Instagram that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of March. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.